Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to just be going over and showing you some of the items in my makeup collection that are brand new and I have never touched them. And there's different reasons for that. Like some of them I've never touched them because like I don't want to, and some of them it's just because they're so brand new that I haven't even opened them yet, but I plan to. So I will explain all that each time I go through one. So the first one I want to mention is I have these two Sephora palettes. Oh, that is very reflective. I have these two Sephora palettes. One is the metallic eye look and the other one is the smoky eye look. So these are little books. I'll show you the inside. So this is the smoky eye look one. So I don't know if you can see that, but I have not even touched these eyeshadows. Main reason is because I don't like these colors. Like I don't like grays and blues really that much. And then this one, same kind of thing. I mean, I don't hate gold as much, but again, I've never touched this palette. Now you're probably wondering like, why did I buy this then if I don't like those colors? And the reason is it actually came in a gift set. So it's got two other books in it. These two right here. And so I bought the set because I liked these ones. So this one is the nude one. It's kind of just a neutral palette. I wasn't like super excited about that one, but this one is the one I really bought it for because it's got like some purples and stuff in it and I really liked those. It was part of I think a Christmas, like a holiday collection or whatever. So they came all together and I just bought it for myself, and yeah, it turns out I didn't use a lot of those. So my plan is to declutter the two that I never use, maybe even all four, I'm not sure yet. But I have like a couple of my friends are coming over soon, and so I was like, hey, do you guys want some like free makeup that's literally brand new? It is, when I say brand new, I just mean that I've never used it, but like it isn't current, like it's not from this year's holiday collection, so it is older makeup. It's just never been used, so that's the first thing. The next thing I have that is unused is this Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyelid primer for eyeshadow. It's still in the box, as you can see. But the only reason I haven't used this is because I bought it as a backup, and I actually do really like this product. I use it all the time because I used to get like some creasing going on with my eyeshadows over the course of the day, and now when I use this, that never happens. So for me, that's, you know, that's what it's designed to do, and so it's effective at that, so I think it's worth it. So yeah, I still got that one's going to need to get used. The next thing is this Roller Lash Benefit Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. It's just a little sample, and I have this because you know how you always get those free samples with like Sephora sales and stuff. So that's how I got this, and I'm excited to try it. I usually use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but I'm definitely down to try a new one, especially since I got it for free as like a little sample. So that is brand new. Okay, the next one is this CoverGirl quad, and it's still got like the tape sealing it, so it's literally never been opened. I actually got this as a gift for Christmas last year, but I just have so many eyeshadows and like a lot of favorite eyeshadows that I reach for that I just never reached for this. So I might see if one of my friends wants it as well, since again I've never used it, so it's like totally sanitary to give to one of my friends since it's literally never even been opened. So the next is the Maybelline The Blush Nudes palette. I actually kind of like the look of this palette. Like I like the colors in it and stuff, but and again, it's never even, I think I might have opened it once because the seal is broken, but I can see that like the shades have not even been swatched. Like I don't even see a mark in it from my finger or anything. So that's another one that I'm probably gonna see if one of my friends wants. It was again another gift given to me, but I just don't know if I'm gonna use it. Okay, the next one is like a lip product. So this is like a MAC lipstick in the shade A16, I guess. And it's like this really bright purple, so that's kind of why I've never used it yet. It's not, I don't not like it, I like it. I was actually given this as a gift from my sister because she used to work at MAC, so I think she might have gotten it for free or something like that. But I'm not planning to get rid of this. I do want to use it at some point. It's just finding the right look to make this work. It's going to be the hard part. All right, so the next thing is I have a couple of Coastal Scents singles. This is one called Concrete Jungle. It actually looks like it would go with my sweater today pretty well. But I haven't actually even touched it yet. It's like in pristine condition. Planning to use it though, so not getting rid of that. And the other one is a little Coastal Scents scent, like a quad of samples. And I wanted to depot them so that I could put them in my travel palette. And I broke all the other ones when I depotted them. So this is the only one that survived. I don't even know the shade name, but it's just like a really cute little, like, I'll definitely use it. It's just, have not used it yet. Next I have some more single shadows. They look like they're a palette, but that's because these single shadows, like, you can click them kind of together. They're from Sally Beauty Supply. So super random brand that I have no idea if it's gonna suck or not, because I've never actually tried any of these yet. They're all brand new, untouched. But we'll see. We'll see if maybe I'll do a first impressions video or something like that with these. And then I have a couple more lip products, and those are the Winky Lux pill lipsticks. They're literally like the size of a pill, so like they're super tiny. And the reason I have 4 shades that I have not yet tried, which are these 4 right here. And the whole reason for that is I bought this to wear to a wedding, and I wanted something really, really small that was going to fit in like a really tiny clutch. So that's why I got it, and it came in this set of 5, and that's the one I have used, which is why I didn't mention that one. But the other ones, I like to keep them in the original thing just because they're so small that they get lost like really easily in your bag or whatever. So it's perfect for what I needed it for, but if you carry like a big purse, this will definitely fall to the bottom and you'll like never see them again. And they don't have a lot of product in them, obviously. They're basically samples. But yeah, that's the set of all 5. Still keeping those because I think I can use them up pretty quick because there's still little product in them. And then the last thing on my brand new products that I've never opened or tried is this Milani palette, and I just picked this up today. It was actually on sale, so like it was regular price $28.99 or something like that, and I got it for $14.99, which is an amazing deal. So I'll show you guys. I got it at the drugstore. I didn't know this was a drugstore brand. I've never seen it at the drugstore before, and I don't usually buy drugstore palettes, but this one just looked really pretty. I'll show you the inside. So that's what that looks like on the inside. So it looks really fun to play with. My camera never shows colors as true to what they look like in reality. Like, they're a lot more pigmented than they appear on camera. So I'm very excited to try them. They're pretty much all metallics or shimmers. I don't think there's any mattes in here at all, actually. There might be, I think the 2, like the very dark colors are mattes, and one of the beige is kind of like a matte, but the rest are all shimmery metallics. And yeah, I'm really excited to play with it. It looks really fun, and I really like the packaging on the outside too. Like, that's really cool, really nice. So looking forward to trying that as well. All right, so that is actually it for all the makeup I have that I've never even tried once. And just packing that back up again. So let me know down below if you guys have anything in your collection that you've never even tried, and why haven't you tried it? Is it because you don't like it? Or is it just because it's brand new and you just bought it? Or, you know, just like to hear from you guys. And which one of these ones that I showed you are you the most excited to see me try? Because I'll probably do, for the ones that I'm keeping anyways, I'll probably do like a couple first impression type videos about that if people want that. So anyway, so that's about all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.